Have you ever thought about growing your own herbal tea? Today, we're diving into the captivating world of cultivating your very own tea garden, featuring favorites like chamomile, peppermint, and a host of other herbal delights. Imagine the satisfaction of sipping a homemade herbal tea made from herbs you've grown yourself. Growing your own herbal tea is not only satisfying but also beneficial. Imagine sipping tea made from freshly picked herbs. You control the quality, ensuring no harmful chemicals. Plus, the act of gardening itself is a therapeutic experience. So how exactly do we start our own herbal tea garden? First up is chamomile, a popular choice for a calming bedtime brew. Start by sowing seeds indoors, transplanting them outdoors after the last spring frost. Ensure ample sunlight and well-drained soil. Harvest the flowers when fully bloomed for your tea. And just like that, you're on your way to a soothing cup of chamomile tea. Next, we have peppermint, a refreshing herb that's perfect for a pick-me-up tea. Start by planting peppermint cuttings in well-drained soil. Ensure full to partial sunlight exposure. Regularly water and harvest the leaves when they're vibrant green. And there you have it, your own homegrown peppermint tea. To recap, we've covered how to grow your own chamomile and peppermint for herbal teas. We've walked through the rewarding benefits of homegrown teas and the simple steps to cultivate these soothing herbs. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy brewing!